Terrakion, Melodic, Clefable, Mega Salamence, Heatran, Mega Venusaur. So pretty standard, and Empoleon's pretty unusual, so is the Jolteon. We got a Mega Kangaskhan, a Greninja that might try to Map Blocker, then Gale Wings Talonflame, probably Pixelate, Hyper Voice. So nothing to stop and intimidate, so we're going to send out that Mega Venusaur. We'll bring Terrakion and Heatran in the back. Okay. Oh, that was a bad idea. So we're gonna follow me with him and try to double edge the Sylveon. I don't know if that'll do enough damage or not. Let's find out. Of course not. Then I just killed my Mega Salamence. That was a terrible turn. Okay. Could I have brought a more weak to water team? The answer will not surprise you. Follow me. And we're just flash cannon the Sylveon for now. Hoping for the best. That Sylveon's out of here and nearly taking out the Clefable. Oh, fantastic. Okay, we're gonna double protect. Actually, gonna protect with him and Heat Wave for now. Actually goes for the fake out on the Heatran. Okay. We go for we're gonna try to double protect. And Heat Wave again. I'll probably get KO'd, but that's fine. It happens. Okay. Temple Berry activates. Heat Wave does next to nothing. And letting my Mega Salamence die so early probably screwed me over. So let's follow me. And I'll just Heat Wave again. Power Punch to the Fable, raising this guy's attack even further. Heat Wave, and oh yay, it missed. Okay, I'm gonna bring out Terrakion. I'm not gonna be faster than that Mega Kangaskhan, especially with its lovely ability. We still try to close combat it. And Heat Wave again. Say goodbye to Terrakion, everyone. Say goodbye to me. Wow. We actually did take down the Kangaskhan. At only the price of my death. Heat Wave actually takes out the Empoleon. Shockingly enough. Okay. Who knows, maybe there's a turnaround in this battle. Probably not, But there isn't any double attackers, and if I don't get double targeted with Terrakion, we could be pretty solid. Now we'll wait. See what happens. I suppose we'll start the timer, hoping for the best. The worst thing that could probably happen is the Talonflame and Greninja coming out, as expected. Oh wait, I already took out 3 things. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to close combat, and I guess we'll flash cannon it. I guess it depends on who he targets. He does knock out Steel Bug. We can get another close combat on. Brings it down to the sash. Lucky for me, I have a pretty solid item. I'm just going to close combat. I'll Iron Head the Greninja. Well, I mean, I guess Hydro Cannon is kind of cool, but if you just made yourself recharge, you kind of just lost it for yourself. But we did pull that one out of nowhere, so that's pretty cool. Okay, let's, what else do we got? We can try this little rain team. I was trying out Yanmega when I saw a report on it the other day. I had been trying out a little bit before, but it's a little fun to try. It's pretty tough. In the right hands, it can be quite deadly. And we see an opposite rain team in almost the exact position, except it's got Swampert, a Clefairy with Friendguard, Thundurus, some Follow Me support from the Amoonguss. So, let's not anticipate their rain, instead bring out the Yanmega, my own Sableye, then we'll bring out Metagross, and we'll bring out Ludicolo in the back. Hopefully their rain team will just start as soon as mine comes out, and I won't even have to bring mine rain starter. Okay. Guess we'll start the timer again. I'd anticipate them to go out straight with like a Thundurus, maybe Politoed, Thundurus, and Swampert. Okay, no rain immediately. That's fine. In the Sableye. So I'm gonna try to get behind my sub right now, while I Will-O-Wisp. No, I'm gonna sub, and I'm gonna low kick. Actually, I'll foul play the Swampert, anticipating a Adamant variant. I figured I'd get taunted, and that's fine. So up. What a nice wasted move. Foul play on the Adamant Swampert. I'm going to actually Ancient Power the Thundurus while I try to low kick the Swampert again. No low kick on the Swampert this time. Thunder miss, lucky me. Ancient Power on that Thundurus. And no low kick. Okay. Tinted Lens lets me do not very effective moves. Makes them pretty effective. So we're gonna try. Actually, let's just go for Air Slash onto that Thundurus while trying to foul play the Swampert again. Ice Punch would probably be enough to take out Yanmega. I've been wrong before, but we'll see. Air Slash is not actually enough. Ice Punch, wow, isn't enough either. Foul play, nothing's enough. Everything's a lie. Okay. I'm gonna try to. Whew, that's a rough turn. It's like 1 HP on both of them. Try to Air Slash that Swampert. And I suppose I'll try to
I guess I'll foul play this one. Well, actually, okay, I didn't go for the Thunderous, good. Oh, come now. Well, that's kind of saddening that he missed, but we did take out the Swampert. Alright, up next is Mega Metagross. Will he bring out his Rain Starter? That's the real question. I'd assume he wants to get his Thunder off. That's what I figured as much. Okay, we're gonna Mega Evolve to Zen Headbutt the Politoed spot while we just quickly foul play the Thunderous. So he protected the last turn, and Yanmega got taken out. Shouldn't be too harsh on me. We're both down 1-1. I mean, I had no intentions of doing anything but attacking with Mega Metagross. And he's probably going to get a burn. Oh, of course he got a burn. First turn burn. Fantastic. His Thunderous goes down while I start to take burn damage. And he brought his little friend guard, Clefairy. Okay. I'm going to try to Iron Head that while I go ahead and try to taunt the Clefairy. Oh, that's a point in this turn, and yay, it dies immediately. Out comes the Pinata, who is going to fake out the Clefairy while we... Actually, we're going to Will-O-Wisp the Politoed. Oh, we're not going to do anything to the Politoed. We're going to fake out the Clefairy at the least. And nothing to Politoed. He's going to stall out the rain on me. But we're just going to Giga Drain him instead, while taunting the Clefairy this time, while it partly protects. Clefairy is taunted. Giga Drain on the Politoed. He brings a little bit of ice on me, while I get Moonblasted. Ooh, by the Sableye. Harsh, was not expecting that one. That's fine. Let's try to Giga Drain him again, and we can actually burn the Clefairy. Okay. In the rain, my Politoed is much faster. I mean, my Pinata, and now we can Helping Hand nothing. Well, I mean, I guess it got a little bit of a Helping Hand. And Sableye did a whole lot of nothing. Alright. Let's try to Scald. Actually, yeah, I'm going to try to Scald him. And at the same time, I'll Will-O-Wisp it too. This might be Sableye. Oh, Sableye, you're useless. Scald for nothing. Sableye, you're just all sorts of useless today. Okay, it's gonna. Oh, we might start minimizing for days. So here's hoping we can get that Scald burn. Oh, nothing for me. You really don't want to help me out today, game. Okay, Moonblast does not do that much to old Ludicolo, but it drops my special attack, and I could not get any more status mentions if I tried. Ugh. More Scalds, and this is just going terribly. I can't believe I've been paralyzed for so many turns, and my special attack just continues to drop. And not one burn. This is ridiculous. Oh well, it happens. Paralyzed again. Shocking. A surprising turn of events today. Oh yeah, it's a tactical fairy. Yay! Okay. That was all sorts of hacks.